Good morning. Welcome to IAS Help Desk. Whenever a student starts preparing for civil services examination or state examination, every teacher, every senior, every expert just tell one thing: start reading NCERT books. Have you ever wondered why is it so? So in this video, I will discuss why reading NCERT books are important and how you can read that in easy manner. So my name is Mayuri Khanna and I have given 4 times IAS interview, and from the past 12 years I have been associated with different coaching institutes such as Study IQ, Rao IAS, GS Score, Chronicle Publications, Unique Publications, etc. and I have worked under different projects related to prelims and main examination. So now moving to the video, and now I have started this initiative IAS Help Desk to provide a self-study platform to the students. So now moving to the video. So now let's understand why reading of NCERT book is important for civil services examination or state services examination. Every student who is preparing for the civil services examination should read the NCERT from class 6 to 12th. While working in different coaching institutes and talk to different students, everyone says that it is of no use of reading NCERT books and they can directly move to the advanced stage. I have just one thing to say: if you are reading or learning any new skill, then obviously in the Google or in the YouTube you type teach this skill for the beginners. You will not write that teach it for the advanced level. So similarly it is with the IAS examination. You have to move step by step only, then you will be able to understand the concepts and will be able to achieve good marks. So reading of NCERT books provide a solid foundation as they provide comprehensive coverage of all the topics important for the examination, and the content is structured format. For example, in the polity and governance, they teach in the class 6 what is government, how is it worked. Then they move to what is constitution, how has that been formed, how it works, etc. And then to legislature, executive, judiciary, and so on. So it is a structured content and a student will be able to understand in a sequence manner what is the whole concept. Similarly with the geography, a student will get to know about the ecosystem and about the surroundings, and then they will learn about the plate tectonics and other theories that is associated with the geography. So they provide a structured content. Secondly, the clarity of concepts, and there is a easy language. So reading of NCERT book is very important for the civil services examination or state services examination. But if you count that from 6 to 12 there are total 37 books approximately. So it becomes a tedious task for all the students to read all the NCERT books and notes out of them. So we have come up with a summaries of NCERT books to solve this problem, and also we have provided the content in the notes format so that reformation of the notes will not be required by the students and they can use it directly as a revision for the examination. This is our first book, NCERT Digest Indian Polity and Governance. It will cover trend analysis of polity and governance, then the complete chapter wise synopsis of the class 6 to class 11, then the previous year questions and sample questions based on NCERT. So now let's see the book. So this is the structure of the book. This is the index in which you will get the trend analysis of polity and governance. So in this you will get the important topics which have been asked since 2011, and then the discussion of questions from the previous year are given, 2021, 22 and 23. Then synopsis of each class is given chapter wise. So in the starting of every class there is an index given in which it is discussed or explained what is given in each chapter. And we have also incorporated previous year questions so that you are able to understand how the concepts are utilized in designing the questions. So for example, this is the chapter of class 6, diversity and discrimination. So all the content is designed in point format. So again you don't have to design it in notes form, and then the previous year question related to that topic is incorporated there only, so that you will be able to understand how the content is utilized in designing the question, and it will help in understanding the pattern also. Similarly, this is the index of class 7 in which The complete chapter, their description is given, and the complete content is in point format. And in the end of this book, we have provided previous year questions from 2011 to 2023, and it also contains the mention of the topic is contained from which chapter and which book. So you will be able to understand the importance of reading NCERT books, because in previous year question, if you analyze the previous year questions, many questions are directly from the NCERT books. And in the end of this book, we also provided sample questions based on NCERT for practice. So these questions are designed solely from the NCERT books. It will help in revising the complete concepts which you have learned after reading this book. So you can buy this book from our website. The link will be given in the description below. And if you have any query related to it, or if you have any query related to IAS examination, you can WhatsApp us at 85860 55783. And if you need mentorship program, then you can also join that from our website. Hope you will like our efforts and will buy our book to acknowledge our efforts. Thank you.